our next string function is called as a left function. Okay, left function, it actually returns the specified number of characters from the left side of the string. And the syntax for using this left function will be, it actually takes two arguments. The first argument is nothing but the str, which is nothing but the string which we are going to pass it on. And the second argument is called as the n. It is nothing but it gives the instruction that how many number of characters it has to extract from the leftmost side of the string. So this is the syntax of your left function. Let's try one example on our SQL platform. Okay, so use the select clause in order to use this function. Select left, take the string, like here I am giving the string as computer is an electronic device. Just type some text, semicolon, and it takes two arguments now. The first argument is nothing but our statement or a string, whatever the string you want to pass, that one, followed by a comma, and the second argument, it indicates how many characters you want to extract from the leftmost side of your string. Like I want to take it as 6. Okay, so how actually it works? The function is left now. So from leftmost, this is the left side of your string. This is the right side of your string. So from left side, whatever the number that you are passing as a second argument, that many characters will be fetched from the string and will be given as the output. So in this case, we are giving 6 as the number of characters. So what it will do? So the 6 characters from your leftmost side it will take and display, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from C to T it will be extracting the data and it will be showing as a result. See. Okay. So total 6 characters from the leftmost side it will be fetching and it will be displaying. This is how a left function will be used on your string. So here the first argument is nothing but the string itself, and the second argument specifies how many characters you want to fetch. Like suppose I am giving the string as the same computer is an electronic device, and here instead of 6 if I pass it as 10, what's the output it will do? Generate total 10 characters from the leftmost side it will be extracting and will be giving as an output to the user. So that is nothing but computer space I, and whenever it is extracting it will also include the space. Including the space, the number of characters it will count and extract. Same like our length function. Length will be counting the characters, digits and spaces. Now the same way here, whenever it has to fetch the data, it will include the space or a special character or a digit. Including that it will fetch the data and shows that many characters. Like in this case the space is also included. Now let us take one more example, like computer @electronic device. So this is what the statement we have given, and here 10 characters I want to extract. So continuous 10 characters from the left side it will be extracting and it will be displaying. Okay, I hope left function is clear to you. Now let us try the same function on our table also. So whenever you want to use it on a table, then the query has to be written, and which function you want to apply, that function name you have to mention here. Select ename. On the ename itself I am trying left, from left side onwards first 3 characters I want to fetch. So comma 3 I will be specifying. So from left side 3 characters I want to fetch and show. Let's see, this is the output. So this is the actual full name. From that left side onwards, first 3 characters. Left is nothing but the first onwards. So first 3 characters have been fetched and it been shown. Hope it is clear. Now let's go with our second function, that is called as a write. So this write function works similar to your left itself, but in reverse. Left will be fetching leftmost characters, whereas right will be fetching rightmost characters. So let's try with one of the example of it. So let's take the left. Instead of left, here we'll write it as right. So what actually it will be doing? Right returns the specified number of characters from the right side of the string. Okay, so here you can see the right, this is the string we have given, and 10. So what it will be doing? From right side means from the end of the string, it keep on counting till the 10 characters, including the spaces or special characters or the digits, and those last 10 digits or characters it will be displaying. Like in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means from NIC to the whole device. NIC space device. This is the 10 characters from the right side. So this will be extracted and it will be displayed. Even though it is reading from the rightmost side, but it will display the statement in the normal fashion how it is being written. So see the output, Nick space device is the output of this write function. So from right side, 10 characters it will be reading and displays in the same order. This you have to remember. Now let us take some more example over here. Like instead of 10, I will be taking it as 6. So what output you will be getting? The last 6 characters it will be reading. Last 6 means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means only the keyword or the word device is been extracted and it will be shown. How you have used the left function? The same way the right function also you can use with the column. So in place of left you can use right, RIGHT, ename 3 means last 3 characters I want to display. See, so from the name the last 3 characters have been fetched and been shown on the screen. I hope left and right functions are clear.